So is Samsara on the verge of taking out its all-time highs? That would be at roughly 31.50. It's possible. They have earnings on the 31st of August. And the last time they announced earnings, the stock rose $10 or so. So taking that measure move from the last earnings, plotting it to current price, you get a price of roughly $35. Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. It is coming from barchart.com. One overlooked AI stock to add to your watch list. With all the buzz around AI stocks this year, the Internet of Things, more popularly known as IoT, has taken a back step in terms of attention from investors. In practice, though, the Internet of Things hasn't gone anywhere. From VR headsets to smartphones to building automation, use cases for cloud-connected devices are all around us. It's projected that these Internet of Things enabled devices and applications will reach 622 billion by 2030, almost tripling in 10 years. Couple that with the ambitious growth forecast for the AI space, and it's easy to see the appeal in a stock like Samsara, an established company in the Internet of Things industry whose enterprise computing products are powered by AI and machine learning. So the company was founded in 2015 by a group of MIT graduates. Samsara is an Internet of Things focused technology company that offers cloud-based software solutions aimed at improving safety, efficiency, and sustainability by providing businesses with actionable data-driven insight. Shares of Samsara have more than doubled so far this year, comfortably outpacing a 31% gain for the NASDAQ composite. Samsara stock is up more than 100% on a year-to-date basis and now commands a market cap of 12.65 billion. Samsara expects to be free cash flow positive by the fourth quarter of the current fiscal year. And Samsara reported net cash provided by operating activities of 10.5 million in Q1, which compares favorable to an outflow of 48.8 million in the year ago quarter. The company reported growth in some other key metrics as well. Annual recurring revenue jumped by 41% from the previous year to 856 million. The rise in annual recurring revenue was powered by 53% yearly growth in customers with ARR of more than 100K, which now stands at 1,375. These larger customers tend to be sticky, and they now represent 49% of Samsara's ARR mix. All right, so getting back to the charts, it appears the company went public in December of 2021. However, beginning in January 2022, it was in a downfall. However, this is what I love. It did bottom, actually had a double bottom on a W formation. And then when price broke the apex, came back down. Where that apex, which was resistance, served as support. And in the process, it did form a bias level. Right, you had a rallying price, a couple of basic candles and a rally out. Although this green extended range candle did not take out the high. The trend is clearly up on smaller time frames. So I do want to mark this as Monthly buyers at $18. Fairly wide zone. Let's see if we can narrow that. All right. So you see this candle explosive move higher on above average volume. So what if I was to narrow that zone? That would be the weekly buyers level. So you have a weekly buyers level nested within a monthly buyers level. This at $19 is really a strong level. So two things can happen this week come earnings on the 31st. We are in an uptrend, so the company can announce stellar earnings in which price would gap higher, taking out the all-time highs at 31.47. Or this could be a buy the rumor, sell the news, in which price sells off right into a level where one should go long. So if it gaps higher on earnings, don't chase price. Wait for the pullback to the previous, what would be the previous all-time highs before going long. And if it drops on earnings, this will be a level to go long. So two ways to play Samsara into earnings this week. Should be an interesting one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.